Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to compare two websites. First one is LeetCode and the second one is CodeChef, as you can see. I will try to tell you the differences, the pros and cons, and then the pricing plans. If you want to basically proceed and enhance your skills, expand your knowledge, and prepare for technical interviews, as at least as LeetCode says and claims. So let's start with the LeetCode. As I said, this program or this website is very good for both ways of approaching this problem. It's for customers and also for big companies. If you're a company and you're looking to fill the positions in your team, you can basically go to LeetCode and address your problems to them. They will try to hire you, the team members, to fit your team and basically fulfill your needs. Or if you are a candidate that want to apply for a job, you can try and check this part of a LeetCode where you can test your skills, upload them, update them, and basically prove yourself to the world that you stand for something in the coding world. As you can see, you can pick from different exercises. They are going from easy to the hard. That means easy, medium, and hard, so 3 difficulties. Then, as you can see in a filter, you can check something that is to do, as basically this one says, or solved or attempted. With tags, you can go and basically pick the only points of interest that you have. For example, shortest paths, randomized, and yeah, well, there's nothing in here. But for example, this one is for shortest path and goes from medium to hard, no easy ones. If you see any exercises or any problems with this little lock in here, that means you need to be a premium member to basically access those exercises. What it means, in a premium, you can pay monthly $35 per month as a subscription, and it will grant you all the premium features. Or if you want to pay yearly, which is more acceptable, as I can see it, or you will pay less for more. It's $159. You'll get access to premium content, select questions by company. For example, if you're interested in applying to Amazon, the Amazon pinpointed some categories that you can work on to basically enhance your skills in that way. And then autocomplete, if you're too lazy of writing everything, debugger, lightning judge, sort questions by prevalence, interview simulations, and unlimited playgrounds. So that's very nice, and $159 a year is basically nothing in coding business. So let's jump to CodeChef. CodeChef is basically somewhat similar, but they are more competing. So it's competing programming, I would say. You're basically competing in the challenges against other competitors or other members of CodeChef. Basically, you can practice and learn in the languages, also run a code competition, practice problems by difficulty, search problems by tags, same as at LeetCode. But I would say LeetCode looks more transparent. You can easily pick the one that you're interested in, and I don't really like all of those. Like, it's a bit messy. It's a bit messy in my opinion, and I really like the LeetCode better. But this one is very nice as well. It feels like with a LeetCode, you are just already enhancing what you know. You are not learning that much. But with CodeChef, there is, as you can see, factorials. There's always a simple text that you can read and basically teach a new stuff. Then you can basically practice. And when you practice it, you can then compete in competitions or discussions and stuff like that. They're not providing any way from enterprises to basically jump in and hire the competitors, but they are doing very nice job with these competitions. I really like it, really like it. So as you can see, it's really hard to know which one is the best. I like both of them. I see LeetCode being more transparent, more compact, and also you can really work on your interviews at LeetCode. So that's about it. If you like the video, leave a like, leave a comment. If you have any questions, don't forget to subscribe, and see you on the next one. Thank you very much.